Hey everyone, welcome back to your go-to channel for the tech news, reviews, and leaks. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases of 2025, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's find out if this could be the best Android phone of next year. While there's been no official release date from Samsung yet, reliable sources point to January 22 or 23 as potential launch dates. This aligns perfectly with Samsung's typical January or February release window for their flagship Galaxy S series. So, mark your calendars because we might be only a couple of months away. Now, let's talk about pricing. We've heard that the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, rumored to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is expected to cost more than its predecessor. Some sources indicate it might be $40 more expensive, with other leaks suggesting a 20% price increase. This could mean a starting price higher than the 24 Ultra's $1,299.99. So prepare your wallets, folks. Here's an interesting twist. There's a rumor that Samsung might name this model the Galaxy S25 Note. Given the Ultra's similarities to the old Note series, this could be a strategic throwback to reignite nostalgia among Samsung fans. But remember, only one source has mentioned this so far, so take it with a grain of salt. Design-wise, we're looking at a slightly more refined body with rounded corners. Multiple leaked renders and even case images confirm this change, showcasing a sleek, polished look similar to the S24 Ultra but with more subtle curves. Now onto the display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a 6.8-inch S24 Ultra. However, some might be disappointed to hear it will use the M13 panel technology, the same as the previous model, while the iPhone 16 Pro series moves ahead with M14 panels. Color-wise, there's a bit of conflicting information. One leak suggests the options will include black, blue, green, and titanium, while another hints at titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, and titanium silver. And for those who love exclusive shades, we might even see titanium jade green, titanium pink gold, and a special titanium blue/black for Samsung store exclusives. Let's talk about cameras. The most credible leak so far points to a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, up from the 12-megapixel on the S24 Ultra. The other lenses seem to stay the same, with a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel periscope lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel periscope zoom. Early reports even teased a new 1-inch sensor for the main camera, which could mean impressive low-light performance, but take that with caution, as it's from a less reliable source. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is almost certainly getting the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and early benchmarks suggest this chipset could outperform the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 18 Pro. Plus, with 16 GB of RAM, this powerhouse is set to handle anything from multitasking to intense mobile gaming with ease. Finally, onto battery and software. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to come with a 5,000 mAh battery similar to the S24 Ultra. While that's decent, we're not seeing an upgrade in capacity. But with the Snapdragon 8 Elite's improved efficiency, battery life might still see an uptick. And of course, seamless updates are likely to be a feature, making the software experience even smoother. And that wraps up everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Are you excited about this potential powerhouse, or do you think Samsung needs to step up their game in certain areas? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.